The family of Karen Hunter are still trying to come to terms with the gruesome discovery of her body last week after her body was found with the head partially severed. Hi again and welcome. This is Link 7 TV Let's Talk, and we're about to discuss this on the program. We ask you please remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell and click on all so you're always in tune whenever time we post new videos. We'll be right back after this short break with the details to come on the program. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for Link 7 TV Let's Talk. Why? That's the question the residents of Portland are asking after the gruesome discovery of the body of a resident who goes by the name Karen Hunter. She was actually 30 years old. The police are carrying out an intensive investigation in order to ascertain what is behind this latest homicide. But all I can say, throughout the past few months, we have seen a number of lives being lost, especially females, and it's a very serious problem that we are faced with right now when we look on what is going on with these spades of killing right across the country. I can't understand why we have to resort to violence in order to settle problems that we're having. Just last week, we saw a female losing her life in St. Anne's as well. And we have seen a number of others that took place in Trelawney and even in the Breadbasket parish of St. Elizabeth. So when this individual, who is 30-year-old Karen Hunter, left home at Norwich District in Portland on Friday night of last week to attend a party, little did she know that that would have been the last time that she would have been seen alive. So the body of the unemployed Guinnep Tree Lane resident was found with her throat slashed and her head partially severed on Linda Road on Saturday. This is quite shocking, and we never expected anything like this to happen to her, Roel Bogle, the stepfather of the deceased female, said. The stepfather said that she was a friendly person who was very quiet, and it's still unclear why someone would want to take her life. But it's very sad to see what transpired here, and the residents are so far puzzled in relation to how someone could be so vicious and cruel, especially towards a female. Everyone in the Guinnep Tree Lane are shocked at this point in time and are mourning the loss of this female. Hunter, who was affectionately called Chubby, was last seen by friends at the party at an informal settlement called Viaduct, which is located along the railway line in Norwich. So she went to a party, and it's still unclear what led to her demise after she was seen by friends at the party. According to initial reports are that Karen left her home on Friday evening of last week to attend a party just down the lane. She was a party-going person and loved to dance. That was the last time that she was seen alive. It is still a sad moment for the community and the family, and her children, we heard, are taking it very hard. It is like it's a dream, resident said, as no one expected this shocking discovery to be made. It's still unclear what transpired with her, and the police are so far launched an intensive investigation in order to ascertain what's the motive behind this latest homicide in Portland. The female leaves behind 3 children, a 16-year-old girl and 2 boys, ages 12 and 9. A friend of the deceased said Hunter received a phone call after 8:30 p.m. on Friday. After that call, she said that she would be back soon, and this is where the whole entire situation unfolded. So many people are speculating that the individual that called her at 8:30 p.m. in the night, that's the individual that carried out this vicious act on her. It is stated that when she did not return, and this is a friend stating this, that she sent a WhatsApp message, but although she got the message, she did not reply. The friend said that she tried her around 2 a.m. on Saturday, but the call went straight to voicemail. The friend stated that when she heard of the gruesome discovery of her body, she was shocked as her friend did not deserve this. The police are yet to identify the suspect or establish a motive for this latest homicide in Portland. One of Jamaica's most beautiful parish has now recorded 2 murders since the start of the year. What transpired here to this female is very sad, and it's another unfortunate situation to see the lives of our females being snuffed out so gruesomely. And most of the times these are stemming from domestic related matters. Might be a relationship that went sour some time ago, but this murder seemed somewhat of a personal matter, as it was not stated that she was robbed, so it can't be ruled as robbery, as robbery was not behind this. It was something personal, might be an ex-partner that she had dated, or somewhere down that line we're thinking. But there are many speculations going on online in relation to what people believe happened. But last week Friday, she would have been alive. She was at a party, as she loved to dance according to residents. And at 8:30 p.m. in the night, she received a phone call while at that party and stated to a friend that she will be back. And that would have been the very last time that that friend would have seen her alive. Now, the police are theorizing that that phone call might hold key evidence in cracking this case. And as the police carry out their investigation, the police are relying on witnesses or anyone that were in the area at that point in time must have seen something and they must have heard something, because she was loved by the community and she has left 3 children behind, which is very sad. But when we look on this situation, it's also sad to see that people are still not adhering to the regulations outlined by the local authorities, as a party was in full swing that she attended. Now, when we look on these cases that are transpiring right across the country, and with the violent acts being committed against females, it's a cause for concern, and it's a situation that really needs to be looked into by the local authorities, and some measures really need to be implemented in order to curb this illicit act, not only towards female but in general. The crime situation is plaguing our land, and it is surely killing our brand itself, and that's the brand of Jamaica. It's very unfortunate to see how many crimes have committed towards females since the start of the year. And some of these crimes are domestic related problems, and some of them are just robberies that went totally wrong. But it's not too late for us to make a change, and that change starts with you. We can't continue as a country like this. We can't continue as a nation like this. Measures need to be implemented, and some real strict measures need to be implemented in order to curb this illicit practice of violence against female. This is where I believe I'm going to leave this one here for now, though. Thanks for watching. I just want to take this opportunity to express my sincere condolences to the family and friends of this female over there in Portland, one of the country's most beautiful parish. Recorded its 2nd murder since the start of the year, which is very sad. Peace out and much respect goes out to you Much love for always supporting the movement of Links 007 TV, and thanks for watching as always.